Hey guys, this is Consumer Compute. We got the unboxing of the Dji Mic 2. This is a wireless mic system that comes with two receivers and one transmitter. This can be used on cell phones, cameras, tablets, and it's going through DJI. So if we look at the back of the box, you can see what's included. I'm just gonna tear this open. I'm looking for a SIM ejector tool, and we'll get this opened. Alright, so we finally got the box open, and the one thing that we can see it's much different than the Rode wireless systems is got this really nice plushy soft case, and we also have a goodies bag. I'm assuming that there's probably going to be a warranty in there, as well as a quick guide in this little pouch. First thing I can see is that we got some, looks like DJI stickers. Take it out of the bag. Yep, we got a DJI logo sticker. That's pretty nice. Looks like that's like a drone sticker, as well as a mission sticker. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that. We got a stick over for a full SD card, as well as a micro SD card. A few more DJI logo stickers. So that's cool. They added the stickers in there. I'm going to put these guys back into the box and get this out of the way so we can start kind of looking at the quick start guide manual. Alright, so here, opening up the page, we kind of look at what we actually get in the contents of the box. Also a scan app to go to the DJI and download the DJI Store app. And it shows us how to connect this to a cell phone, camera. Also shows us how to set Bluetooth pairing mode, as well as the voice isolation mode. If we look on the other side, it's pretty much going to just show us how to charge, and as well as put the dead cat in and the correct way to put it on your body, as well as different LED colors to tell you what they mean, as well as the buttons and what the receiver and how that operates. Again, this is just a quick manual, assuming there's a full one online. Alright, I'm going to get rid of this stuff. This is just the safety guidelines. I'm going to throw this back in the box. We really don't need that. And then also we got a warranty from there, and if I'm looking down below on the table, looks like we had a silicone pouch pop out of the bag. Alright, so I'm going to leave the box over here, and I'm going to grab the pouch. This is kind of nice. I like this. It seems just like what you get from DJI drones. Again, this is just probably telling what it actually is. But it's nice that we got a carrying bag. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside this bag. Alright, first thing I can see is that we have a USB cable, looks like data cable, for the phone for charging and probably data transmission. USB-A to USB-C. Then we have the cable that you're able to connect this to, say, like other cameras through the audio jack. Also, it looks like there's three little pouches. We have both of the dead cats for both of the microphones. Open one up and we'll take a look at it real quick. Nice thing about this is it actually has like a fake headphone jack, and you're throwing the dead muff in there, and that's how it's clipping on. So that's nice. Here's the other one. I'm just going to put this aside. Alright, here we go. We're going to pick up the, looks like this is the charging case. And yeah, this actually reminds me of like the DJI battery charging cases. You usually got three of them, and they plug them in, they charge. Ooh, what's nice about this is it's aluminum. It's not plastic. That's awesome. All right, so here's the first microphone, and if we look at the clip, we actually have a magnet and a metal frame, so that's nice. Something that the Rode microphone doesn't give you unless you buy the little microphone, the little magnet clip, as well as magnet with it. So good job, DJI. Thank you very much. USB-C. We got the record button, LED. Got the linking button and the power button for that. Then we have the transmitter. This pretty much connects to the cameras, to the phones. We got the power button, USB-C button. That's the little adapter where you can put the lightning port thing in, as well as the USB-C port connector. We have the audio out, as well as a headphone jack, so you can monitor the audio on that. That's pretty cool. The touchscreen LED. We got the little jog wheel that helps us to determine how to set features right in that. Just setting up the date, because obviously that's the first thing they want me to do with this. And it's got a cold shoe mount on the back too, so you can put it on the cameras. That's pretty cool. Nice thing about these microphones are too that you're able to connect them Bluetooth as well, so you can connect it to the phone through Bluetooth. What do you guys think about the DJI Mic 2? I'm kind of liking this. This is a fairly decent setup. I'm very happy that I got the carrying case as well as a charge case. Retails for $350 at Best Buy, DJI's website, Amazon, any other places that you can buy. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget that I have a Patreon account. Thank you again, and this is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.